Think flat abs only come from diets and salads? Think again. These 10 quick home workouts are about to flip that idea on its head. No calorie counting, no meal plans, just smart fat-burning exercises you can do anywhere. If you're ready to flatten your belly without touching your diet, let's get started. Welcome back to the channel Fitness Family. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we're making fitness realistic, fun, and sustainable. Today we're ditching the diet talk and focusing on what you can control without stress movement. Your core doesn't just respond to food, it thrives when activated with intentional, consistent workouts. Now yes, diet plays a role in health, but not everyone has the time, mental space, or desire to follow a strict nutrition plan. That's why today's video is all about movement, smart fat-blasting exercises you can do at home with zero equipment and zero food restrictions. Handpicked 10 moves that do more than just tone. They'll boost your metabolism, ignite your core, and help you chip away at stubborn belly fat over time without starving yourself. So grab your mat, a bottle of water, and let's jump into the 10 best workouts to flatten your abs without changing a single thing on your plate. Exercise 1. Standing cross crunches. Standing cross crunches are a perfect way to wake up your core while staying off the floor. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Place your hands behind your head. Engage your core. Now bring your right knee up as you twist your torso, aiming to touch your left elbow to that knee. Then alternate left knee to right elbow. This move targets the obliques and rectus abdominis while also giving your hip flexors a nice stretch. Unlike traditional crunches, this version keeps you upright and encourages better posture while working the core through dynamic movement. You're also firing up your glutes and quads every time you lift your leg. Focus on contracting your abs with each twist. Don't rush. The slower and more controlled the movement, the more your core works. Keep your chest open and avoid pulling on your neck. Try 3 rounds of 45 seconds of continuous cross crunches followed by 15 seconds of rest. To intensify, add light ankle or wrist weights. This adds resistance and helps engage your stabilizing muscles. This exercise is perfect for small spaces and is low impact, which makes it ideal for beginners or anyone avoiding floor work. Plus, it increases your heart rate, which contributes to fat loss over time. Make this a daily habit and you'll notice not just better core strength but also improved balance, coordination, and energy throughout the day. Exercise 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers bring cardio and core together in one explosive move. Start in a high plank position with shoulders stacked over wrists and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Pull your belly button toward your spine and engage your core. From here, drive your right knee toward your chest, then quickly switch, bringing the left knee forward. Keep alternating like you're running in place. The faster you go, the more intense it gets, but don't lose form. What makes mountain climbers so effective is their ability to activate your entire core, upper abs, lower abs, and obliques, while also giving you a cardio push. This means more calories burned and more fat torched in less time. Do 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds with 15 to 20 seconds rest in between. If you're just starting, go slow and focus on form. As you progress, increase your speed and duration. To modify, step your feet forward one at a time instead of running. To challenge yourself, wear a resistance band around your thighs or place your feet on sliders. Mountain climbers are incredibly efficient. They target the abs while also hitting your arms, shoulders, chest, and legs. It's full body fat burning without any equipment, making it perfect for home workouts. Stick with it and you'll build endurance, burn fat, and see visible core definition. No food journal required. Exercise 3. Plank hip dips. Plank hip dips are a killer for carving out your waist and targeting deep core muscles. Start by getting into a forearm plank position. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders, legs extended straight behind you, and your core engaged. From here, slowly dip your hips to the right side until they hover just above the ground, then bring them back to center and dip to the left. That's 1 rep. Move with control and focus on using your obliques to initiate the twist. Plank hip dips activate the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and especially the obliques. They also work your glutes, shoulders, and back. It's a full core move that builds stability and tightens your waistline from all angles. Complete 3 sets of 45 seconds of dips, resting 20 seconds between sets. Make sure your body stays in a straight line and your hips don't drop or sag. Engage your glutes and thighs to keep everything aligned. For added difficulty, place a light dumbbell or weight plate on your lower back, but only if you can maintain perfect form. This move might feel subtle, but the burn is real. It's low impact, equipment free, and extremely effective. Over time, you'll notice increased core strength, better posture, and more defined obliques, and all from just a few minutes a day. The slow burn is what makes this one a secret weapon for a slimmer, more sculpted midsection. Exercise 4. Flutter kicks. Flutter kicks are a powerful lower-ab exercise that really brings the heat. Begin by lying on your back with your hands underneath your glutes for support. Extend your legs fully, then lift them both about 4 to 6 inches off the ground. Now alternate small quick kicks up and down without letting your feet touch the floor. The goal is to keep your core tight and your lower back pressed into the ground the entire time. If your back starts to arch, pause and reset. Your abs should be doing all the work. Flutter kicks zero in on the lower abs, one of the hardest areas to tone. They also activate your hip flexors and require you to stabilize from your core, making them excellent for core control and endurance. Start with 3 rounds of 30 seconds, resting 20 seconds in between. As you get stronger, increase to 45 seconds or add ankle weights for more resistance. You can also elevate your head and shoulders to intensify the burn. This exercise doesn't take up much space and requires no equipment, which makes it perfect for home or travel. It's also easy to include at the end of a workout for that final core blast. Stick with flutter kicks and you'll notice not just flatter abs but stronger hips and better control over your core. It's simple, effective, and a real belly fat buster, no dieting needed. Exercise 5. Reverse crunches. Reverse crunches are a go-to move for targeting your lower abs without putting strain on your neck. Start by lying flat on your back with your knees bent and feet off the ground. Place your hands beside you or under your hips for added support. Bring your knees toward your chest, then lift your hips off the floor in a controlled crunching motion. Lower back down slowly. This movement might seem small, but it's incredibly effective. It works the lower rectus abdominis and requires deep core engagement to lift your hips without using momentum. Make sure your motion is smooth, not jerky. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps, focusing on quality over speed. Keep your neck relaxed and avoid swinging your legs. You should feel the contraction in your abs, not your back or hip flexors. Make it more challenging. Extend your legs fully before each crunch or hold a light dumbbell between your feet for added resistance. Reverse crunches are ideal for flattening the lower belly area, which is often the most stubborn part for fat loss. They're gentle on the spine, require no equipment, and can be easily incorporated into any routine. Consistency is key. Stick with it and your abs will get tighter, your core will get stronger, and your lower belly will become noticeably leaner. This is one of those feel the burn moves that delivers major results. Exercise 6. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are an ab-defining classic that hit every part of your core. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted, knees bent at 90 degrees. Engage your core, lift your shoulder blades off the floor, and bring your right elbow to your left knee while fully extending your right leg. Then switch left elbow to right knee. This movement mimics a pedaling motion and fires up the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques all at once. It's one of the most effective exercises for core activation. The key is controlled movement. Don't rush. Fully extend your legs and make each twist deliberate. Keep your lower back pressed to the ground and your elbows wide. Start with 3 sets of 30 seconds, resting for 20 seconds in between. As you build strength, go for 45 seconds per set or add ankle weights for resistance. Bicycle crunches don't require much space and pack a big punch when it comes to torching calories and defining your midsection. They also engage your hip flexors and can help improve coordination and core endurance. Add these to your routine and you'll not only notice better core strength but also increased fat burning and more definition across your entire ab wall, all without changing what's on your plate. Exercise 7. Standing oblique crunches. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and place your hands behind your head. Raise your right knee to your right elbow as you crunch your obliques, then return to standing and repeat on the left side. This is your standing oblique crunch, a core-focused move that targets your sides while keeping you off the floor. This exercise is especially great for people who dislike traditional sit-ups or crunches. It's easy on the back and joints and promotes better posture while sculpting your waist. Make sure each rep is controlled. Engage your core and focus on bringing your rib cage toward your hip as you crunch. Don't just move your elbow, really crunch into your side. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps per side. To increase intensity, hold light dumbbells or wear a weighted vest. For balance improvement, perform the movement slowly and try to hold each crunch for a second. This move engages your entire core, especially the obliques and lower abs. It's a standing alternative to side crunches and a great addition to your no-diet flat belly routine. Stay consistent and you'll see a tighter, stronger waistline without a single floor exercise or calorie cut. Exercise 8. High knees. High knees are a powerful standing cardio core move that boosts your heart rate and ignites belly fat burn. Start standing tall with feet hip width apart. Engage your core and begin running in place, bringing each knee as high as possible toward your chest. Pump your arms as if sprinting to add momentum. The key is to keep your abs tight the entire time. Every time you lift a knee, pull your belly button in as if bracing for a punch. The explosive motion activates your lower abs, hip flexors, and even your glutes. This move is perfect for quick fat burning because it combines cardio and core in one. You'll feel your entire midsection working while elevating your heart rate, making it a full-body calorie torching machine. Try 3 rounds of 30 to 45 seconds followed by 15 seconds of rest. As you get more comfortable, aim to increase your pace or extend your time to 60 seconds. To modify, march in place while still lifting your knees high. For more intensity, wear ankle weights or increase your speed. What's great about high knees is you don't need any space or equipment. It's one of the fastest ways to fire up your metabolism and torch calories without ever lying down or counting a single calorie. Make this a part of your regular routine and feel the burn every time. Your abs will thank you. Exercise 9. Plank to knee drive. Plank to knee drive is a dynamic move that combines core strength and cardio for serious belly fat burning. Begin in a high plank position, shoulders stacked over wrists, body in a straight line. From here, drive your right knee toward your chest, then return it to plank position. Repeat with the left knee. Alternate at a steady pace. This movement lights up your core, especially the lower abs and obliques, while also working your arms, shoulders, and legs. The controlled drive of each knee engages your deep core muscles and improves balance and coordination. To get the most from this exercise, focus on tight, intentional movement. Pull your knee in with control rather than just flinging it forward. Keep your back flat and hips level. Don't let them pike or sag. Do 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds, resting for 20 seconds between sets. As you get stronger, increase the speed or add a resistance band around your thighs to level up. This exercise is perfect for shredding fat and tightening your abs simultaneously. It delivers maximum results in minimal time and can be done absolutely anywhere. No diet changes needed. Stick with it and you'll see your waistline slim down, your posture improve, and your strength skyrocket. Exercise 10. Leg raises with a hold. Leg raises with a hold are a lower ab finisher that builds serious core control. Start by lying flat on your back with your hands under your glutes for support. Extend both legs straight. Slowly lift them to about a 90-degree angle, then lower them back down until they hover a few inches above the ground and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. That hold is where the magic happens. The combination of slow controlled motion and isometric hold torches your lower abs and demands intense engagement from your core. It also improves muscular endurance and builds a flatter, tighter belly. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, holding at the bottom for 3 to 5 seconds each time. Rest 20 to 30 seconds between sets. Make sure to keep your lower back pressed into the mat and move with full control. To modify, bend your knees slightly. To intensify, extend your arms overhead or add ankle weights. This move takes up almost no space, requires zero equipment, and brings deep core activation without any impact on your joints. It's the ultimate core burnout. To finish strong, do it regularly and you'll feel your abs getting tighter and your core control improving. And the best part? Not a single calorie counted. There you have it, 10 powerful home workouts that prove you don't need a diet overhaul to flatten your belly. It's about smart movement, consistency, and showing up for yourself daily. Remember, getting fit doesn't mean giving up your favorite foods. It means adding powerful, intentional actions to your day that help your body thrive. These exercises activate your core, burn fat, and build the kind of strength that shows. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense real-world fitness tips. Share this with someone who's tired of diet fads and just wants results that stick. Keep moving, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video. Your journey to a flatter, stronger core starts now. No diet required.